You guys, I'm here again. And congratulations for all of you that commented and said we should continue the Synth series. Now, this is the part 2. And now we are going to strictly focus on the pitch bend and how you can use the pitch bend. Alright. Normal melodies, no runs, just normal melodies. Alright, so first to start with, if you are like I said in the last video, when you're going to your next note, and you don't need to necessarily do the slows. That is where you now use your pitch bend to push you to the next note, right? So you have something like this. This is what I did. So I wanted to do. So instead of doing, I did. You get it? So instead of now, this helps you when you are doing some kind of crazy solos, and you are just like. You get what I did? So now that I could just do, but you can see the difference. Now using the pitch bend now helps it to create music. Is emotional. It's like it encompasses so much emotions. Now you can see that immediately I did. I know in this video a lot of you immediately you hear this thing. Mark it. I mean, I don't know what minute it is, but immediately you hear this thing, I know how your facial reaction will be like, mad. Something like this. That kind of facial reaction, I know. Yeah. Why? It's different from you, doesn't it? You get. So when you are trying to do some kind of crazy solos and you're trying to communicate something, you're trying to communicate so much, you're trying to communicate so much attention, and I said attention, so much emotions in the music. Your pitch bend help you to achieve that. So I can do. What did I do? Instead of doing, I just stayed on this note and because my pitch bend is on +2, that's why I said the normal default is +2. So +2 is helping me to go 2, which is full tone. You get? Now one of the things I'll tell you is when you are in notes that when you are in some notes that might have to take you semitone, I will not advise you using pitch bend. Except you use it like that. Now what did I do? I slightly touched it, because if you push it, you sound very off. So, but I don't even want to advise, because you can mess your solo with that thing. Trust me, it's very tricky. So, but then most times when you are doing full tone movement, that's when you do things like that. So note that you can do things like that. Sorry, you are going to full tone, right? So you hear people so. You understand the idea. So now, for full tones, that's where you get to use your pitch bend and you can achieve what you need to achieve. Now, let me explain how you can use it so that you can return back to your notes without having it make so much noise. Now, when you do, your fingers need to be very smart, because you are coming back. You are not supposed to stay on that note. You're just supposed to move. So this is where the modulates come in, and I will talk about this modulate in the next video, the next episode. That will be about modulate, so you will understand. But for now, let's just focus more on the pitch bend. All right. So you do. So you quickly move. So immediately you are coming back. You are calculating that as you're coming back now, what is the next thing I should think of, and create another phrase. You get? So you can do, you want to solo, great is thy faithfulness. So I just remember something else to talk about. You notice that I did. Now this was what I talked about in the last video, where you instead of slurring with your hand, you use your pitch bend to achieve that thing you need to do. So great is that faithfulness, that faithfulness. Use your pitch bend. So now it sounds. Yes. So now the idea of pushing it is just push it and leave it. It returns back. Make sure your pitch bend is in good condition. Oh. Yes. So all you need to do is push it and leave it. You don't push it and stay on it. So. So what I wanted to do, morning by morning, but now I did morning by what's that note? Mercies I see. Now instead of doing mercies I see, I can now want to change the melody to mercies I see. You get? Or do mercies I see. You understand it? So mercies I see, oh mercies I see. Yeah. So you can see I'm playing as if I'm singing it. I provide. So I cannot do so this way your pitch bend now helps you. So all you need to do, like I said, you push it and allow it come back. Now using pitch bend is not. Nah, that's not it. A lot of ways you can use pitch bend. A lot of ways. So you can see how I'm pushing. I'm doing. Now there's what we call the mono effect. The mono effect on synth is one effect that will make you not to play more than one note at the same time. You can hear. Now that is one of the things that makes synth sounds very, very unique. Mind you, this synth is different from the one I used in my last video, if you pay attention. And this is a different synth, and this synth is also in my Logic template. So make sure you get it too. This synth is also in my Logic template. For those of you that are asking which synth is this, now I'm saying it too. It's in my Logic template. Alright then. So now the mono effect is helping us, as the pitch bend is helping you to do. You can hear that the mono. You can see what the mono effect is doing. So you can't play more than one note. So that thing helps you to play around. So you can do. You can hear. So it's supposed to be. But now pitch bend helps you to bypass. So yeah. So now I'm going to give you guys one way to practice this thing. Alright. And then we are done for this lesson. So you can see just do re mi fa sol la ti do. But see how I'm doing it. Sorry. Now you need to, your fingerings need to be solid though. Go back to my beginner's course so you understand how it works. So you can see that. So this is pitch bend idea. From there you can start adding melodies and pushing it and bringing it. You don't need to, except you are doing the long note. I don't know what to call it, but let me call it the long stay pitch bend move, where you do. If not that, push your pitch bend and allow it to come back immediately and be very, very fast. You do. Alright, so that is that for that. So guys, like I said, make sure you get my course. Yeah, make sure you get my product. This sound is my product, and it's an incredible sound, guys. Trust me, it's an incredible sound. So make sure you get that. Your life will never remain the same. Yo, peace. God bless you all.